Welcome back to Art the Murray Tube. I'm Cece, and since social dancing is opening back up, our instructors are going to teach you some Latin social dance basics to break out on the dance floor. So get on your feet, make some space, and get ready to learn some Cumbia, Bachata, and Salsa.
Hey guys, I'm Julius and I'm going to be teaching you the basic steps for Cumbia. This is good to be used in all different kinds of Latin music. Let's get started. First things first, we're going to rock back with our left foot. So we're going to step, rock back, move forward, and kick. Step, and kick. You can speed it up just a little bit. Kick, and back, step, kick, and back. Just like that. And then when you get fast enough, you want to bring the hips. And start moving. And then you start having fun. And this is what it looks like with a partner. We're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, step, kick, those hips in there, get them moving, going, have fun.
So today what we're going to do is we're going to teach you a couple of bachata moves because the clubs are starting to open up. So what we're going to do for the leads, what we want to do is we want to just take a side step with our left, bring our feet together, side, together. And then we're going to go back, side, together, side, together. So for this, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is basically how you do all of your basics in bachata. So this is what it's going to look like in a partner. So all we're going to do is we're going to go 1, 2,
and today I'm going to be teaching you the salsa. Let's get started. So this is the basics. So you're gonna start out 1, 2, 3. Just make sure you're gonna transfer all your weight forward to your left foot. You're gonna transfer all your weight to your back with your right foot, and then collect. Then you're gonna go back with your right foot. Make sure you step, then transfer your weight to your left, and you close it up. So let's do that one more time. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're gonna do a little bit faster. We're gonna go chicka chicka boom, chicka chicka boom, and 1, 2, 3, and close it up. Now with a partner,